Do you still believe today what you were told when you were a child, that God likes people to be poor? Many of those who are rich today had little or nothing to eat at some point in their lives, and this is more common than you think, and that was the breaking point for what they have achieved today. Pay attention. As long as you are hungry, you will think your mind will remain alert to solve this problem, and it is at this moment that you come into conflict with everything you have been programmed with. And you know what the best way for those who don't want you to be rich is? To induce fear and calm your hunger. And that's where the news and recommendations come in, that it is necessary and vital to seek a safe job that will pay you a minimum wage every month. The educational system is designed to teach you to be an employee, a doctor, a lawyer, or a specialist, but they will never teach you about money. The educational system is designed so that as much as possible you remain in the middle class or in poverty, and that's not what you want, right? So, I will teach you to be rich. I will give you the paths so that you can walk the path of prosperity. I've met many people who say, I can't afford that. Do you think money grows on trees? In fact, my father, with a PhD obtained with much sacrifice, used to say, in response to any request, who do you think I am? I can't afford that. I don't earn enough money to buy this or that. Thus, his words became reality. Instead, my rich dad, instead of saying I can't afford that, would say, how can I afford it? How can I make this happen? Pay close attention. Poverty will always be among those who declare poverty, because that is where it starts. Words become reality. A question opens the mind, a statement closes it. So instead of saying I can't afford that, ask, how can I afford that? So when you say I can't afford that, the mind closes, and what you said ends up happening. Einstein said, imagination is more important than knowledge, but knowledge gives power to imagination. If you think about it, poor people are selfish, always complaining about their problems, always focused on their own problems. No one can or should dare to contradict their excuses and the supposed reasons why they are not successful. While they are focused on themselves, they forget about others. Instead, the rich become rich by ceasing to be selfish and solving other people's problems. That's how value is created. An example is if you care about the cancer that afflicts thousands of people, and if you could cure this cancer today, you would be a billionaire. Unlike any venture or business where money is important, investing in yourself is not just about money, it's about acquiring knowledge, forming habits and strategies that will improve your quality of life. Following this line, there are 4 points to get out of the selfishness of poverty and embark on the fascinating world of personal and financial success. So I will propose 4 challenges for you to start today. Okay, and challenge number 4 is the most important. Pay attention to this challenge number 1. Program yourself by visualizing success. If you played sports as a child, you were probably asked to imagine yourself lifting the trophy or seeing yourself as the winner. Does that sound familiar? The reason we have all heard this at some point is because the power of vision is strong and effective. Successful entrepreneurs take time imagining, creating, and exploring within their minds. Thanks to this practice, that's how entrepreneurs become innovators. Using your imagination is a powerful asset that only you have access to, and there is no limit to your creativity or ability to create abundance. Shall we do an exercise? Comment like this, I am a source of money. Just comment this, I am a source of money. When you comment, I will give you a little heart. Making positive affirmations attracts wonderful results to your life. Now that you have commented, let's continue challenge number 2. Start the day early. This doesn't mean you need to wake up at 3 in the morning with a cup of coffee in hand. If you normally wake up and get out of bed at 8 in the morning, try getting up at 7. It has been proven that successful entrepreneurs are early risers. Start your day by visualizing your success. What do you want to achieve? Visualize that. What are your goals? Visualize them. You can start the day doing some exercise to boost your blood flow more intensely. Waking up your mind, starting the day allows you to gather your thoughts, set your priorities, and organize yourself in a way that makes you successful. Before we go to number 3, make sure you are already subscribed to the channel. If you are, congratulations to you. If not, click now to subscribe. And let's change our mindset together, right? So continuing challenge number 3, keep things simple. One might think that the rich are born with super complicated lives that make them so effective. But that's incorrect. In reality, simplicity is the key for the rich and successful. Creating simple routines helps avoid the mistake of overwhelming yourself. If every successful person tried to take on every challenge and exceed their capacities, they would feel so stressed and unable to accomplish anything successful. People know that by setting limits, they become more efficient and effective. Please click like, give this support to our channel. I know you are a good-hearted person, so please do that. Click like now. Challenge number 4, keep curiosity alive. Boredom can be a killer of success, and successful people recognize this, ensuring they are always busy. That's why you hear about the rich working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, because they seek happiness by doing something they love. I challenge you to adopt some of these 4 points and incorporate them into your daily routine. If you want to become a successful and wealth-creating person, if you stayed until the end of the video, it's because you are a persistent person. So let me know who you are. Comment like this, I stayed until the end. Just comment this, I stayed until the end. When I see this comment, I will give you a little heart now. 2 great videos that I made with a lot of dedication to teach you how to get rich starting from scratch are appearing on your screen. The challenge now is for you to click on one of these 2 videos. Do you accept? So click on one of them and go watch it now.